Hey YouTube, just a quick update on the bike. Been down and out for a while between losing my GoPro and I had a fuel pump acting up here on the bike, so I had to replace the fuel pump, and it took me months and months. And to be honest with you, if it wasn't for the wife, I still wouldn't have it done. She just went ahead and ordered the fuel pump and we got it in. I was unsure on what brand to go with, but we just ended up going with the Kimpex factory replacement. Came with the whole sending unit, fuel pump included. This is a 2019, and like I say, I already put a fuel pump in it. I did run the vent for the fuel tank. It goes in underneath here and up, and I got it rooted right up into my handlebar. So there's lots of room there. Not gonna get any mud or dirt, sand in through that filter anytime soon. I was out on a run last night and ended up I was going through the tracks there at Kennecook, and came over a big whoop, and all of a sudden, man, I couldn't steer. I landed, and man, she felt some kind of wild, so I knew it was a tie rod. So anyway, I got off the bike and found myself trying to figure out how to get the tie rod strapped together here. So I got a stick. As you guys can see, I got a few zip ties on each side. It broke off up in there, the inner. So I got a stick on there, and you know, eyeballed her up about like this in the middle of a mud hole, and zip tied that stick on there, and it did just the trick. I was pretty close to home, but I mean, I was still probably 2.5–3 kilometers. So, and coming out the tracks, I mean, it was slow going over the bumps and stuff, and I got out to the asphalt, and I had a buddy following me, and he's like, Jesus Christ, man, you're doing like 60 kilometers an hour coming down the road there. But anyway, just so you know, if you ever do have to get yourself out of a pinch, a stick and some zip ties do just the job. So my last video, I had got the halos. This here just blew out on me there last night too. Turn them out so you can get a good look at those halos. Got those on. They're looking sweet. I didn't do a installation video on those, but it's just they send you a silicone. You just, you know, clean up your headlight. Silicone those on there. I'm drawing power from my outlet. Just got my little switch here. My plastic is just a touch too thick, so it doesn't allow the rocker switch to go all the way back. It should be an illuminated switch, but anyway, it still works fine. So yeah, no power draw, everything's all good. I had the front plastics I got into a tree and kind of folded these plastics all down around. This ended up front bumper getting caught in the tire and had a few clips here that kind of fasten it up along. And this whole front corner was like folded down around because it's in the middle of a run, and you know, I had no clips and no way to keep it held back up. So just got home and heated it up, straightened it out a bit. Still wasn't happy with it, so then I just, you know, cut it off just outside the steel front bumper there. Eventually like to get some upgraded shocks for the front of it. But that's a little update on the bike. Like I say, I got the bike on the go again, besides the tie rod. But I mean, I actually have a tie rod kit on the shelf in the garage, so it's just a matter of getting it on here this Thanksgiving weekend. We'll see if we can make it happen and be out on the trail for October 23rd is next Kennecook rally, and we plan on being there, so maybe we'll see ya. Take her cool, guys.